as you can see, I'm super tired. I'm gonna show you guys how I preserve my wash and goes before I go to sleep at night. First and foremost, I use my Silk Line Grace Ely cap. It helps to keep the moisture in my hair and to stop the frizz while I sleep at night. 2 plain ponytail holders. I have no idea what this is, but it does work great to keep the cap from slipping off my head at night. So the first thing I do is take out any hair accessories that I have in my hair, and I split my hair into 2 separate parts. I put one side into a ponytail with a ponytail holder, and then I do the same for the other side. I do not put my front bangs in to the ponytail holder. I used to have 3 separate ponytails, but it would make the front of my hair just have a hump, and I wasn't feeling that, so I just keep that flat. Next, I take my Silk Line cap and I make sure I stuff all of my hair into it, no piece left behind. It looks really dumb, but this cap stands in the way between a frizzy mess or moisturized curls in the morning. Lastly, I take this unknown contraption and put it over my silk cap. If I didn't have anything holding my cap down, it would slide off during the night. And that's it. I'm finna go to bed. I'm tired. Like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next video. Bye.